Welcome students and friends. In this video I'm gonna do rational expressions. So rational expressions look something like this. You have a fraction, and on top you have an expression, and on the bottom you have an expression as well. Okay, so let's see. So we have, let's go to the next page. So you have something like x plus 1 over x minus 2. So you see here this is the top expression and the bottom expression, top and bottom. So the numerator on top and the denominator on the bottom. So you have something like x over y. So numerator is x and denominator is y. Okay, so let's look at a table to see how it works. So okay, so let's do x over 2y. Okay, so the variables are x and y. Okay, numerator is x, denominator is y. Okay, so x and y. Okay, so let's do something like 0 and let's do 0 and 1. Let's do 1 and 2. Let's do 24 and 2. So okay, so it's gonna be 0 over 2y, that's equal to 0. I'm sorry, 2y will be in here will be 2 times 1, which is 0 over 2, which is 0, and then will be 1 over 2 times 2, which is equal to 1 over 4, and then it will be 24 divided by 2 times 2, which is equal to 24 over 4, and that 24 divided by 4 is 6. Okay, let's do one more. It would be x plus 1 over 3. So variables x and numerator x plus 1, denominator 3. Let's create a little table. Okay, so that will be x be 0, 1, negative 1. Okay, so x plus 1 over 3, and it will be 0 plus 1 over 3, which is equal to 1/3, and then it will be 1 plus 1 over 3, which is equal to 2 over 3, and then it will be negative 1 plus 1 over 3, which is equal to 0 over 3. Okay, so thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe.